Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Guru, your go-to spot for the latest and the greatest in tech. Today we are diving into a phone that's been creating some serious buzz in the sub rupees 20,000 category, the Realme 14T 5G. With a massive battery, AMOLED display and even an IP69 rating. Is this the budget king of 2025? Let's find out. First up, the box. The Realme keeps it clean. Inside you get the device itself, a 45-watt fast charger, USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, a clear case and the usual paperwork. No surprise here, but props to Realme for including the fast charger in the box. Now let's look at the design and the build of the phone. Well, the Realme 14T 5G comes with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and 2100 nits of peak brightness. Let me tell you, it's pops. Whether you're binge watching or scrolling Instagram outdoors, the screen does not disappoint. But yes, at 196 gram, it's on the heavier side. On the other hand, the design and the color looks quite okayish, not as pleasing the one I am expecting. Especially this color, I am not a big fan. Now coming up directly to the performance and the software part, under the hood we have got the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset that is based on a 6nm processor. It's paired with 8GB of RAM and you can choose between 128GB or 256GB of storage. Great for everyday use, multitasking, social media, video calls, all smooth. But if you're into a high-end gaming, this chip might not be your best bet. On the software front, Realme UI is clean, fast and big win. You get 3 years of Android update and security patches. Now let's focus on the camera part. The camera wise, you get a 50 megapixel main shooter, a 2 megapixel portrait lens and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Daylight shots are sharp, but there is no ultra wide lens and no OIS. So you will feel the limitation in low light or shaky condition. If camera matters a lot to you, this might be a trade off. Now when it's about the battery, the 6000 mAh battery, it's a beast. Easily a 2-day phone for moderate users, and it includes 45-watt fast charger that gets you back up quickly, dual stereo speaker with 100% ultra volume mode, super loud, great for videos and music, plus IP69 dust and water resistance is one of the key points at this price, which help you out to take underwater photos and videos. Coming to the conclusion part, it comes with a stunning AMOLED display, long battery life with fast charging, clean UI with long-term updates, IP69 durability and loud stereo speaker are the pros. Coming to the cons, no ultra-wide or OIS in the camera, no ideal for heavy gaming, and slightly heavy in hand. So the final verdict is quite clear. The Realme 14T 5G hits a sweet spot. If your priorities are display, battery life and durability, then this phone can be a pick. But if you're looking for a phone that can take some good pictures and it can be used for the intense gaming session, then this one is not for you. You can look around some other options like Motorola and iQOO that can be a best deal under this price segment. Well, that's it from my side. Hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, do share with your friends, and also before leaving the video, subscribe us for more such amazing tech. See you guys in the next one.